Whoa! This ain't what you want. Project. This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. Ha! 1600 block. I just wanna rock. I just wanna I just wanna rock. Body out of ya. Shorty got that body out of ya. Hit it once, no time. Side up, you gon' kill my vibe. Stand on my money, don't know my size. Pick them sides, and you better choose wisely. That's my high. 1, 2, 3, 4, throw up to 5. That's my high. Damn. 1, 2, 3, 4, throw up to 5.
MC, make another hit.
Whoa! This ain't what you want. Project. This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want.
Hi Jace, it's Mommy. I just want to wish you a happy birthday and let you know how incredibly proud I am of you. This is a big year for you. You're turning double digits, 10. So I really hope that you have an amazing day, and I want you to know how much I love you. I'm so excited to celebrate your birthday with you, and I hope you enjoy every piece of the surprises that are in store for you. I love you always, Mommy.
Hello, son. I want to wish you a awesome day on a milestone of a birthday and a journey to manhood. And I love you, son. Happy birthday, and I'll be here always. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Jace. Happy birthday, Jace. I think I lost my mind. Happy birthday, Jace. This is Pearly. Love you.
What's up, kiddo? Just want to officially say happy birthday to the guy, Jace. Man, I cannot believe you are 10. Actually, I can believe that you're 10 years old. But I'll save you all the sad stories. I just want to wish you an official happy birthday since your birthday is today. I think you'll see this today or Tuesday. But I'll be there to celebrate with you this weekend, and we're going to have a great time and make sure you have the best day ever. Until then, I love you. Happy birthday, and talk soon. Peace out. You know I'm going to call you. Love ya.
Happy birthday, Jace. We love you.
Big Jace, happy birthday, man. We love you.
Happy birthday, Jace. Enjoy your special day. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mr. Jace. I heard you're turning 10,000, right? 10,000. All right. Happy birthday. I hope you have the best and the most wonderful birthday ever.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jace.
Happy birthday. We love you, Jace. Happy
birthday, Jace. We love you. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jace. Happy birthday, Jace. I love you. I love you more. The big 10. I can't wait to see you. Enjoy your party.
Happy birthday, Jace. The big 10. You're finally double digits. I'm so proud of the young man you are turning out to be and the wonderful cousin that you are from Melanie. And I just want to wish you the best birthday ever. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jace. I love you. You have been the best cousin to me ever. I love you so much. I appreciate you, what you have done for me. You're the best.
I've talked to all day. Didn't I see Benny's car in the driveway?
Jace. Jace, you turned 10?
I gotta go home and
Man, I'm getting old, man.
this weekend.
Happy birthday, Jace. Uncle Travis love you, man. I remember the day you was born, man. I really do. I remember how proud I was, man. I have another nephew, man. Happy birthday, baby Jace. You'll always be my baby Jace, man. I love you. Keep doing good in life. I love everybody. I miss you guys. Happy birthday, Jace. I almost want to sing it for you, man. I almost want to sing to you, man. Sing to it, babe. Happy birthday to you. I ain't gonna do it, man. I love you. All the way from Florida, man. Uncle Travis. Stay cool, man. I love you.
Happy birthday, Jace. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jace. Happy birthday to you.
Average GameTruck parties are a virus, but gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Happy birthday.
Gamer versus gamer.